Hi friends, let's start with our next video of this series of solving HackerRank practice data structure problem. Today we are going to solve sparse arrays from the array section. The basic problem statement given here is there is a collection of input string and a collection of query string. For each query string, determine how many times it occurs in the list of input string and return an array of the result. So basically you have to count the number of query instances present in that string. So this is a basic problem statement. So let's run this code. First we will initialize our values. So as you could see, the returns and result of each query. So we'll create an empty list of res value. You could name it anything for each in query. So we'll initialize a count variable, and for x in strings. This problem statement could be done in better ways, but right now for the sake of simplicity would be using two for loops. So entire complexity would become big O of n square, which is not the recommended approach, but let's see if it runs or not. If it doesn't run, then we will be thinking of using some better approaches there. So let's see. If x equal to each, then we will increment the count, and we would be appending that count. Res dot append the count, and at last we will return the value, return res. As you could see, it passed all the test cases. Let's see if it passed all the submission cases or not. Wow, it passed all this submit code also. So when in hackathons, if you get a problem, just first try with the most simplest method. If the most simplest method works, if it does not work, if there is runtime error, then try to apply some better approaches, because generally in hackathons time is limited, like in within 1 hour, or it depends basically, but generally in hackathons the time limit for solving one question is generally from 30 to 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour. So you have to solve as many problems as possible in the hackathon. So always try to solve this problem with the best and easiest approach. As you could see, the number of lines of code I've written here is almost like 5 or 6 lines. So it's very easy. If you have to use some better approach, it would take some time, but this approach works. So you will not try to do this code in some other ways. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, and please send me your feedbacks. Also join the Discord channel so that I could interact with you guys and understand, and you could send me feedback to solve a particular problem. I would be solving those problems. I mean, for example, you're solving in HackerRank some difficult problem you've got, you're not able to solve it or not able to understand it, so send me that problem. I will be solving that and uploading that video for your references. And please do subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.